So I had to shim the curb. It's a heat pump, so I want it to go downhill. So there's our, where is it at? I can't see. I'm gonna put the camera here. Oh, there, yeah. Duh. So we're going downhill towards the drain. I dropped this thing about 1.25 inches from front to back from the old unit. So we're good. We are good. Got to seal that all in. This is a test fit. This would have been an easy job if I did not have to shim it. We're preparing for the new unit. Got it all set up here. It's all sealed inside. It's shimmed up. Okay, we're done. Rheem heat pump. Got it on a curb. It's counter flashed. And when I put it in, it has a slight tilt towards the drain. Get this all done here, counter flashed. Gonna be re-roofing this place, so resealing, so that's all gonna be coming up anyways. This here, got a counter flash. I got this extra long counter flash because the water's gonna come off of here, come out of here, drip down, drip from here, going down to there when it's in a defrost or rain. So my main concern is I want that thing with a slight tilt to the back, like the instructions say. So there it is. Rheem packaged heat pump, 2-ton on the curb. We dropped it about 1.25 inches, so it drain out the front like they're supposed to. So.